Hello, hello. This is Robin Sampson McCarthy with Biblejournalclasses.com. Today we're going to make a little real simple folio. This is the main part of it. This will be the back side. And I want to tell you something funny that happened to me this morning as I started making it. This is what it's going to look like. And we're going to decorate it. So I got these three glued on. And wouldn't you know, I couldn't find the fourth one anywhere. And I was so frustrated and irritated that I had to go print the whole page for one pocket. And I thought about putting another pocket, but it wouldn't match. And while I was looking, this is what I found. Is that funny? And I can't tell you how many times this has happened that I have found one of my little tags that just really spoke to me and reminded me of God's love, God's patience, God's mercy. So anyway, let's get started on this. Oh, the other thing that happened was, so when I go to print it out, I think, well, I'll just cut it with a cut file because these don't have any backings on them, so I can cut it with my machine. When I did, I realized, finally, that I could go ahead and put the elements on before I cut them. I put the couple together and cut them out again. So this was a happy accident. It did something that's going to be real helpful to me. So let's get started with this really quick little folio. We'll just score it twice. It's already inked from the digital, but I did put a little bit of ink on the edges just so the edges aren't white. As I'm gluing these pockets down, I like to think about how God's covenant love holds everything together. Just like these pockets will keep our little cards safe, His promises are what give us security. The bridegroom's love, Jesus' love, isn't flimsy, it's strong and lasting, and it holds. Every flap and fold in this folio becomes a reminder that our lives are layered with grace, sealed by His faithfulness. So as you press down these little edges, let it be a prayer. Lord, bind my heart to yours. Keep me ready, keep me steady until the day of the wedding feast. If you're new to my channel or to the Biblejournalclasses.com, we're doing this Bible symbolism class, and there are 25 lessons, and each of the 25 lessons has a free download with 9 cards, and usually a folio or pocket. So these 9 cards are the 9 symbols. Today we're doing marriage, so we're doing the veil, the bride, the bridegroom, the wedding table, and that's how we journal on these little cards. I type mine out in Photoshop, and a lot of people do it by hand, so that's why we have these little cards. The glue's not completely dry, but I'm trying to, if you wait for the glue to dry or you use score tape, you can get in there and really use your bone folder to give yourself more room. So we're going to use these cards to remember what we've learned in the lesson. While you're tucking in your 9 cards, and let's pause and remember why we're making a marriage folio. Every piece is a picture of covenant love. The bride reminds us that we are chosen and cherished. The groom points us to Christ who paid the price. The veil speaks of mystery and the lamp of readiness. Now we'll work on the back side. Because I still have another pocket, I could put that pocket here. And then when there's still plenty of room, if you put it right there, you have a whole nother place to put things. So I might do that. We also have other pockets that we could put, because I save all my things that I don't use, and I could put another pocket there too. So don't forget to go through your stash and see what else might fit. So here we go. Here's a little, using them for a flap. I put a little cluster in the corner. And I'm probably going to put the word marriage on here when I get a chance to print it out. And here's our folio. I hope you enjoyed crafting with me today. And I'll see you in the Facebook group. Bye-bye.